What are two rights of everyone living in the United States?
Good morning, everybody in the class. Good morning, Eric.
Hi Eric, what are two rights of everyone living in the United States?
What are two rights of everyone live in the United States?
What are two rights of everyone living in the United States?
What are two rights of everyone living in the United States?
What are two rights of everyone living in the United States? Freedom of expression. Freedom of expression. This is similar to freedom of speech. Freedom of speech.
What do we want? Justice! What do we want? Now! What do we want? Justice! What do we want? Now!
Freedom of assembly. Freedom of assembly. Freedom to petition the government. Freedom to petition the government or ask for help from the government. Freedom of religion. Freedom of religion. Freedom of religion. The right to bear arms. The right to bear arms. Or the right to own a firearm or gun. I think that's all. What are two rights of everyone living in the United States? What are two rights of everyone living in the United States? What does it mean by everyone? Everyone means all of the people who live here in the United States. Citizens, immigrants, permanent residents, everyone, all the people. So, how many answers does this question require? This question requires two answers, two responses, two answers, two responses, because the question asks, what are two rights of everyone living in the United States? USCIS, or immigration, offers 6 possible answers. Let's review again those 6 possible answers. You will see them in groups of 2. Freedom of expression, freedom of speech, freedom of assembly, freedom of religion, freedom to petition the government, the right to bear arms. You must say any 2 of the 6 possible answers. What are 2 rights of everyone living in the United States? Freedom of expression and freedom of speech. Okay. Your turn. What are 2 rights of everyone living in the United States? Freedom of assembly and freedom of religion. Nice. Thank you. What are two rights of everyone living in the United States? Okay. Freedom to petition the government and the right to bear arms. Nice job. Thank you. What is freedom of expression? It is similar to freedom of speech. Freedom of expression includes art, music, poems, writing. Freedom of expression includes public art, public displays, freedom of assembly. Freedom of assembly, the right to gather together in public, to protest and say your opinion. Okay, let's practice the question in parts. What are two rights?
What are two rights?
What are two rights?
What are two rights?
What are two rights? What are two rights of everyone?
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 Living in the United States.
Living in the United States.
Living in the United States.
Living in the United States. Very good. Now, the whole question. What are two rights of everyone living in the United States?
What are two rights of everyone living in the United States?
Great job. Okay, now it's your turn to practice.
What are two rights of everyone living in the United States?
Freedom of expression and freedom of speech.
Freedom of expression and freedom of speech.
Freedom of expression and freedom of speech.
Again, you need two responses to this question. At your naturalization interview, also known as the citizenship test, you don't need to know all 6 possible answers. And you don't need to remember them in the order that we practiced here. You can remember any 2 of the 6. I do want you to remember that it is important to understand these rights because these are your rights. These are the rights for everyone who lives in the United States. It is important that you understand your rights here. great work today, everyone. Thanks so much for watching and practicing with us. Have a great day. Stay safe, and we will continue to practice tomorrow.